Hey everybody, Santa here, Tuesday, May 2nd, on a nice windy day. Yeah, we sure have a breeze today. I'm kind of in the back of the house, so you can hear me because the wind might, interfere with the audio here. Let me show you around a little bit. Let's take a look. This is the back of the house. They put a lot of plants back here. This is the AC unit for the chill out room. They've been doing a lot of planting around here since mommy has extra help now. There's Mr. Horsey over there. Caballo. He's a pretty nice looking horse. Looks like he's pretty well taken care of. I really don't see any food or water over there, but I guess he just grazes, tries to stay cool. They harvested coconuts back here today also. I heard the truck. There's people constantly riding their motorcycles back here. They're not really supposed to, but oh well, nobody pays attention to rules. Oh, here's the caribou. I think the horse and the caribou belong to the same person. So I got to make this video pretty quick because I got to go pick up my daughter from school in about 10 minutes. But as you can see with the flags here, we got a really nice breeze. That's my big indication here. If these flags are flying high and proud, then we have a nice breeze. The merry-go-round still in decent shape, hasn't broken yet, but we haven't had a slew of kids over here either. So we'll see how it holds up. Everybody else is just chilling out, relaxing. They did a little laundry today, but not much else going on. Just still waiting to hear back from Ford on any progress on my truck. Haven't heard. I left him a message. Hasn't texted me back. So who knows? Mommy just laid James down for a little nap. He usually takes one about now. And that's really it. Nothing else going on. Just my hair getting blown as usual. Crazy. One of the neighbors just came over and took a shower here because they said their water's all muddy. They're the same neighbor we get the mountain water from. But we haven't been getting much water from them lately. We've been using the pump water. So I guess their water's not doing too good. I don't know. I don't understand it. If it rains, they should have plenty of water. But they said it's all muddy. Who knows? Anyway, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. It is free. And that's it for now. God bless everyone. Santa Claus, over and out.